Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Tech Soldiers powered by D&D. So guys, here is the Samsung Level U. So which I bought it from Big C, and its original cost is 2900 rupees and I bought it for only 2300 rupees. So guys, so this is Samsung Level U blue color. So it is a Bluetooth stereo headset with flexible joint with neckband, high quality wireless streaming. So you can see it clearly, Samsung Level U. So let us turn back and see what it has. So here are some of the features they have mentioned at the back. So the first one is style and performance. So it has comfortable and stylish. Samsung Level U is the ideal choice for high quality music on the go. And designed ear tip and large 12mm speaker units ensures ease of wear and high quality sound. Dual mic noise reduction provide clear voice even in noisy conditions. So it has a dual mic noise reduction, so it gives clear voice in noisy condition also. So in the box the items are Bluetooth stereo headset, ear tips 3 sets, and quick guide manual. So here are some of the features they have mentioned. So it consists of 12mm speaker units for high quality sound, and dual mic for noise reduction and echo cancellation, and magnetic earbuds, and new designed hybrid open type ear gel, and flexible thread joint for comfortable positioning around the neck. And also here there are three switches, plus, minus, and one play pause button. So here they have mentioned, if we if we short press this button, plus button, so the volume will rise up, and if you long press it will rewind, and volume down button, if you long press, fast forward. And this is play and pause button, and also it will be useful for pairing the Bluetooth. And here are some barcodes they have given. So here is a warning sign. So Level U contains magnets. If you are a user of any implanted medical device, do not use the Level U unless you have consulted with your physician. So this is the main warning guys. So see it. And here is something. So Samsung Level is a downloadable application that provides additional features such as TTS setting, text to speech. So it also consists of a app guys. So this app gives more features to this Level U. It adds more features like text to speech conversion. So it is designed by Samsung and it is made in Vietnam. So it consists of Bluetooth. So let us quickly open guys. Let us quickly unbox it and see what's the inside. So let us open it. So here is our Samsung Level U headset. So it has a quick start guide. So in this there are tips, and also there are some things like how to use it and how to charge it. So these are the things. And also it consists of three earbuds. So it will be chosen by you so that you can put into your ears. And here is our Samsung Level U. So let us open it. So you can see it guys. So it consists of a magnetic thing. You can see it here. And physically it is so strong. It is very flexible guys. You can see it. And also here there are switches. So it is volume up button, volume down button, and a pause button. So very nice look, guys, and very strong also. It also has an LED indicator. It indicates a blue and orange light. So it also has a charging port. So here is the charging port. So here you can plug it. So it requires nearly 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge, and it also gives nearly 8 hours standby backup. And here is the on and off button. So you can see the indication, right, guys? So here is the on and off button. So the look is very nice, guys, and also it's very strong and flexible. So you know, right, Samsung always gives a good product to us, and it's also one of the best products of the Samsung. So this is the review of this Samsung Level U, guys, and also it has an earbuds, so you can fix according to your ears. So guys, it's a good product. You can buy it from Flipkart or Amazon, and also you can buy it from nearby stores. It's a good product. I recommend you. So guys, this is for today. We'll meet in the next video with some more unboxing content. So till then, take care. Bye bye.